Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick collard greens. First, ensure you have about 2 pounds of fresh collard greens. You'll also need some basic seasonings like salt, pepper, and a touch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. We'll focus on a method that gets these delicious greens on your table in under 30 minutes, perfect for a weeknight meal. Get ready to enjoy a classic side dish with minimal fuss. Now let's get those greens ready. Start by washing your collard greens very well under cold running water to remove any dirt or grit. Next, you'll want to remove the tough stems. You can do this by folding each leaf in half and tearing the stem out, or simply cutting it with a knife. Finally, stack a few leaves, roll them up tightly, and slice them into nice 1/2-inch ribbons. This makes them easier to cook and eat. Time to cook. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté about 1/4 cup of chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant, which takes about 2 minutes. Add your prepared collard greens to the pot, along with 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth. Bring it to a simmer, then cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the greens are tender. Almost done. Once your greens are tender, remove the lid and let any excess liquid evaporate for a few minutes. Now, it's time to season them to perfection. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of apple cider vinegar for that classic tang. Give it a good stir and taste, adjusting seasonings as needed. Serve your quick collard greens warm and enjoy this flavorful, easy-to-make side. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.